Okay, so I've updated the tray. You guys remember in the last Airbnb vlog where I said I was going to change the tray to a flat tray? I did that. I also coated it in Mod Podge to help protect it, because the last one we had like this, somebody spilled oil and it just seeped all over it and it looked horrible. But now we have this new one and it's been protected so that that should not happen. If it does, I might just paint it this time. I don't know. But this is so cute. Now let's restock it with all of this, and then I have some more things that I'm gonna add to it as well. This is how it's currently looking. I'm not liking this, so I'm just gonna keep playing with it until I figure out what I like. Okay, so I just put this plant together. It used to be in this red container here, but there's nothing red in that room anymore. So I finally got rid of the red container and I switched it to this container here. I like this a lot more. It fits this plant nicely. This is a faux plant, if you couldn't already tell. It's fake. What do you think? Should I add another paint can in the bottom and lift it up? It'll probably lift it up about a foot more out of there. Or do you think this is perfect? For now, I'm gonna leave it like this. Find another paint can, but this is so cute. I'm glad I finally decided to do this. Now let's go put it in its new home. Ooh, it's heavy too. Hold on, I gotta use two hands. I'm loving this so much better than what it used to be, if you guys remember from my previous videos. This is so much more fitting. I do need to add a dresser in here somewhere. I was thinking about getting a corner dresser, if you've seen those. Always get a dresser and just put it in the closet, because this is a pretty big closet and I'm pretty sure nobody ever uses it. So we get a nice size dresser to go in this closet. It would be perfect. It's a 2-door closet with floating doors, floating sliding doors. On the other side, so I think we could fit a really good dresser right in here. You have a suggestion on what dresser look good in this room? It's a tan bed frame. We're doing tan and gray in here, or khaki and gray, whatever color you call that, and gray and white, so a little brown. So this is like a neutral color room. All that I have left to do in this room is finish making the bed up. I need to put the blanket on the bed and then put the pillows on the bed and vacuum in here, and we're good to go in this room. So then that'll be 2 rooms down. This room here, I just got that blanket out the dryer, so I need to lay that out and then put the pillows back on the bed. And this room is golden. I have to vacuum, but then this room will be golden. hand painting one of our new boutique arrivals, custom wooden social sign. They come unpainted so you can personalize it, but I'm giving this one blue and gold to match the Airbnb's vibe. You pick the name and font. Now available on shopdaisy.com.